This is unit 502 here at TriVista. This is our 1K.0 floor plan. 922 square feet in size. As soon as you enter, here to the left is your full-size washer and dryer. Just to the other side of your front door will be the coat closet. Have your bathroom here to the right. Large glass shower. Built-in linen shelves. We've got these amazing floor-to-ceiling windows here. A lot of natural sunlight. Beautiful view. We are west-facing. We do have a large balcony here. Good view of downtown skyline. The Pepsi Center. You can see the football stadium. Right across from the Cherry Creek Trail. Very large kitchen, plenty of cupboard space. Great size island, room for bar stools. And then here is the bedroom. Great windows, a lot of natural light. Plenty of space in here for a king-size bed and then some. And as always, a nice large walk-in closet. So again, this is the 1K.0 floor plan here at TriVista.